sir.
Proud of his rich and very, very great. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Thank you, sir.